Are you tired of shifting through endless videos and products, hoping for that magical solution to achieve glowing skin? Well, your search ends here. I understand your frustration, but I'm here to tell you that achieving clear, radiant skin is not an overnight miracle. So let's embark on a journey together with a fresh mindset and realistic expectations. The road to glowing skin begins with the right attitude. Acknowledge that this is a gradual process, and there are no instant fixes. Say goodbye to those misleading clickbait titles promising overnight results. We're in this for the long haul, and trust me, it's worth it. We'll start with a straightforward skincare routine that caters to your unique skin type. We've got 4 types to choose from. Dry skin, lacking moisture, may feel tight or itchy. Oily skin, excess oil, shiny appearance, and enlarged pores. Combination skin, oily T-zone, dry cheeks. Normal skin, balanced with small pores. Once you've identified your skin type, we'll move on to a morning and evening routine. Morning routine. Cleanse with a suitable face wash. Optionally use toner to remove impurities. Moisturize with SPF-containing moisturizer. Evening routine. Repeat the morning routine but skip the sunscreen. Instead, apply retinol for amazing benefits like reducing fine lines, acne, and dark spots. Remember, you are what you eat. Your diet plays a vital role in your skin's health. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods as they may lead to breakouts. Opt for a balanced diet and start with small changes. Homemade meals can make a huge difference. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Aim for at least 2 liters of water every day for a radiant complexion. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's a treat for your skin too. Working out reduces stress hormones and detoxifies your skin through sweat, unclogging those pesky pores. So bid farewell to excuses and embrace the feel-good vibes after a great workout session. Now, before you cringe at the thought, hear me out. Limit your social media use, especially on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Constantly comparing yourself to picture-perfect people can dampen your progress and self-esteem. The secret ingredient to glowing skin is a happy mind. Take time for yourself, engage in activities you love, and surround yourself with positivity. Good mental health reflects on your skin like magic. Trust me, it's the most crucial step in this journey.
That's it for today. Feel free to drop a comment below sharing your thoughts and what you would like to see me talk about in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys soon.